Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Topic under discussion in this room, respected beholders of wisdom and knowledge, is neither the about wisdom of Luqman nor the story of Rustam and Zuhra, but the topic on which I am speaking today is role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar in the stability of Madina state. Honorable judges, after Mustafa, peace and blessings be upon him, the one who held the ability to govern and discipline oneself by the use of reason, the individual who contained wisdom, if there is any person who plays a role in the stability of state of Medina, is Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar. His role is as clear as of today. His role can be estimated simply by his ability to meet the storm of trials in the short time of 9 months. Following the departure of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, the Sahaba who possessed strong wills and strength and were known for their bravery were also uncontrollable in their hearts and minds. The Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar delivered a magnificent speech without delay and took over the thinking intention of the state of Medina. Honorable President, this was the first drop of hope for the development of the stability of state of Medina, if not to find a way to reconcile in the fire of emotion, to satisfy the parties by the stability of state of Medina. What is the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar in the stability of state of Medina, if not to keep Muhammadan system organized, to openly answer the conspiracies of Jews and Christians, hypocrites and apostates? What is the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar is the stability of the state of Medina, if not to block the attackers of religion's economic and financial system and fight with full force and masculinity against the zakat deniers. And during the 6th century in the Siddiqui Caliphate, conquering most of the areas of Iran and Syria, establishing the Siddiqui authorities and the army. What is the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar in the stability of the state of Medina? Yes, respected President, it was the role he played in the stability of the state of Medina, due to which peace of Hudaybiyah became a masterpiece of foreign policy and appeared in the form of Islam, and he brought the state of Medina to the height of perfection, which the poet interpreted as follows. After the Prophet there became a crowd of temptation and evil, hypocrites and estates became common. False prophets began to spread false examples, ignorance and mischief to denial of zakat. This lion-hearted died after erasing all bad. He died only after disposing of the evil doers.